Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. Today I have came up with a very exciting video which is about homemade aloe vera hair oil for double hair growth. The fleshy leaves of this plant contain a gel that has many uses in natural remedies, but today I am going to discuss only its useful aspects related to hair and hair growth. Due to its moisturizing properties and nourishing vitamins, aloe vera has gained popularity as a treatment for dry hair. Researchers have shown that it will help with dandruff relief. The plant compound may also help promote healthier hair. In upcoming videos, I'm going to show you how to make some DIY mask containing aloe vera as an active ingredient, so stay tuned guys. For this recipe, you need two ingredients. One is the aloe vera and the second one is the coconut oil. Coconut oil is an extremely versatile health and the beauty product. People use it for all sort of things from cooking and cleansing to moisturizing the skin and removing makeup. Washing, brushing and styling can cause damage to the hair and leave it look frizzy, broken and dry. To understand why this happens, you need to know a little more about your hair structure. Your hair is made up of three layers: the medulla, the soft central part of your hair; the cortex, the toughest protective outer layer of your hair; the cuticle, the thickest layer of your hair. I'm not going deep into the discussion, but washing, styling, and coloring your hair can damage the cuticle, rendering it unable to protect the central part of the hair shaft. This causes you to lose some of the hair fibrous protein that make up your hair cortex, making your hair thin, fragile, and prone to breakage. Coconut oil is based on your hair to reduce protein loss and keep it looking healthier. Now let's start with the recipe. Take 2 to 3 leaves of an aloe vera and wash them thoroughly. Now what you have to do, you have to cut these leaves into a small cubes. Use double boiler method to prepare this oil and add 1 cup of a pure coconut oil in a bowl. Heat it using a double boiler method. After heating the oil for 10 minutes, add aloe vera cubes in it and stir and cook this oil for next 10 minutes and turn the flame off and leave the oil as such for next 30 minutes. Use the double boiler method for this recipe. Don't heat the oil directly on the flames. Use a wooden stirrer for this entire recipe. You have to cut leaves in small cubes to increase its surface area and its contact with coconut oil so that coconut oil absorb all the good nutrients from the aloe vera. अब बात करते हैं why we are only using the coconut oil to make up this oil. Because of its structure, coconut oil is made up of a medium chain fatty acids called lauric acid. Lauric acid is pretty much driving force behind the massive rebranding of the coconut oil. The lauric acid in coconut oil is able to penetrate the hair shaft, nourishing the hair with vitamins, minerals and medium chain fatty acids. Massage with coconut oil help improve the blood circulation. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into the follicles. It also helps to get relief from the dandruff, moisturizing your dry hair, add lust, shine and softness to your hair. This is the only reason why we are using coconut oil to make the aloe vera oil. After 30 minutes, you have to strain the oil with the help of any strainer available in your home. And then store this oil in any airtight jar. You can use an either jar or a bottle as shown in the video. This is entirely up to you. अब बात करते हैं कि आपने इसको अप्लाई कैसे करना है. Apply in the scalp, massage gently in a circular motion. Let it sit for about 1 hour or overnight. Aloe vera also activate new hair growth by blood circulation to scalp. Coconut oil and aloe vera oil makes an excellent conditioning combination which help to seal moisture to your hair shaft. That is why it is very good for dandruff. Give a good massage to your hair and then clip your hair and leave it for an hour or an overnight. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo and you can see the result in a first attempt. If you use this oil regularly, at least for twice in a week, you will see the result. It will prevent hair breakage, split ends, retain the length so that you don't have to trim as often. Use this oil regularly and you will be amazed with its result within 2 weeks. Your hair length will increase dramatically, so don't waste your time and make up this oil. Use this oil and comment me down about your experience using this oil. You can store this oil for 5 months. Thank you.